What's up, y'all? James Backwards here, back again with another video. We are trying to go ahead and we're going to clean these lights. We have, hope you guys can see that. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. It's the Shane Home Headlight Restore Retrofit Lasting Prevent I guess that's supposed to say aging, clear and bright, durable and sturdy. Temu special, all right? Fresh in, okay? Temu special, all right? We have the nice little sponge. We'll go ahead and put that on the ground temporarily. We got the nice little sponge. We got the nice little head restoration little shindig. And we're gonna go ahead and put it on there, man. We're gonna go do half so you guys can see the difference. I got my son on the ones and twos back there recording. Y'all go ahead and let me know how he's doing. All right, so we're gonna go do half of the headlight. We didn't even read the instructions. You know what? It didn't even come with instructions. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, actually it did. Let's see. All right, it says, please wear gloves, oops, before use. Even apply the product to the headlight. Wipe headlights with a sponge and repeat the above steps until lights are clear again. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and do half. Okay, we're gonna do the half. We're gonna knock that half out. It says, please wear gloves. You know, we don't always follow the instructions, we should. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Whoa.
Right on.
That one.
Yeah.
Yay.
All right, press stop.
Okay.
All right, y'all, we had a bit of a interruption. Great interruption out of the way. Go inside. We had one of the neighbors come by and drop off a basketball hoop for the kiddies so we could put that old one into the garbage. You know what I'm saying? If you speak Spanish, it's the basura, you know? So it's gonna go ahead and reapply and keep wiping like they said, okay? We're gonna keep applying, keep wiping. Now, it don't say to wipe it off, so I don't know what we do with that, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
It's changing.
It is changing now. Look, my son back there like, hey, wait a minute. It might be working. It's a Temu special. Now, y'all put it down in the comments. How do you say it? Temu? How y'all say it? Temu. Spell it phonetically. Temu, what is it? Let us know. It look like it's a little different, huh? What y'all think? We did the right side, the left side. You know, let us know. It says keep on wiping. All right. I'm about to use all of it on this one side because I got a whole nother headlight to hit. And then I got to do this other half. And my wife would be mad if we only did one half. Right? Mommy would be mad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go ahead and keep wiping. You know how they said, swiper, no swiping. We're going to say, wiper, keep wiping. You know? I think we're supposed to hit it with a little water after this, but it don't say, let me see. It says, do not mix with other cleaning ingredients. Please wear gloves to avoid direct contact with the skin. It just said, keep it out your eyes. Okay. So I got to wash my hands real thorough like. Okay. How we looking? Yeah. Can we tell that we did it? Yeah, we can, huh?
Yeah.
It looked pretty good. After I hit the whole thing, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, so this is gonna be the right headlight right here, and then we're gonna move it over to the left headlight. Let's see if y'all can tell the difference. Yeah, y'all notice you see that little yellow tint on there, a little foggy, and then come back to the right one. We ain't even really wiped it off or nothing. We just kind of like just hit it with the headlight restore. You know what I'm saying? Restoration. So again, back to the left one. And we're gonna go back to the right. Do the after. We're gonna end with that one.